Good morning students, I am a grade 4 maths teacher. Today we are going to learn about chapter number 3, tick tick tick. The next one, draw where the ants will be. Draw where the ants will be. The first one, 20 minutes after 6 o'clock. 20 minutes after 6 o'clock. First, 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock means where this is hours and 6 minutes and 12. So this is 6 o'clock. Correctly 6 o'clock. The hours and 6 minutes and 12. So now 6 o'clock. Then questions are 6 minutes. So 20 minutes after 6 o'clock. 20 minutes after 6 o'clock. Move these minutes where 12 to 1 5 minutes, 1 to 2 5 minutes, 2 to 3 5 minutes, 3 to 4 5 minutes, 4 to 5 5 minutes. So 12 to 4 20 minutes, 12 to 4 20 minutes. So this minutes and move here. So now time 6 minutes, 6 hour 20 minutes. So time 6 hour 20 minutes. Then next 10 minutes after 7 o'clock. First 7 o'clock. So 7 o'clock, hours and 7. Then minutes and 12. So now 7 o'clock. But question 10 minutes after 7 o'clock. So minutes and move where 10 minutes. So 12 to 1 5 minutes, 1 to 2 5 minutes. Hours and 7 minutes and 12. So now time correctly 7 o'clock. So now the question 10 minutes after 7 o'clock. So the minutes and move 10 minutes where 12 to 1 5 minutes, 1 to 2 5 minutes. So 12 to 2 10 minutes. So this minutes and move here. So now time 7 10. 7 10. Then next third one, 30 minutes after 8 o'clock. First one 8 o'clock. So minutes and hours and 8. Then next minutes and 12. So now time correctly 8 o'clock. Then next questions are 30 minutes after 8 o'clock. So now move this minutes and where 30 minutes, 12 to 6 30 minutes. So 12 to 1 5 minutes, 1 to 2 5 minutes, 2 to 3 5 minutes, 3 to 4 5 minutes, 4 to 5 5 minutes, 5 to 6 5 minutes. So 3 5s are 30. So now minutes and move here. 6. So now time 8:30. So time 8:30. Next one, last one, 15 minutes after 5 o'clock. The first one 5 o'clock. So 5 o'clock means hours and 5. Then minutes and 12. So now time correctly 12 o'clock, 5 o'clock. Next questions are 50 minutes after 5 o'clock. So now move this minutes and where 15 minutes. So 12 to 1 5 minutes, 1 to 2 5 minutes, 2 to 3 5 minutes, 3 to 4 5 minutes. Then next 4 to 5 5 minutes. But 12 to 3 15 minutes. 12 to 3 15 minutes. So this minutes and move here. Like this. So now time 5:15. Next, second one. How long will it take the minute and to move from? How long will take the minute and to move from? So first one, for example, hours and 3. Minutes and 6. Now time 3:30. 3:30. But here minutes and hours and 3. Minutes and 10. So look at the clock. How many difference? Here 3:30, here 3:50. So 3:30, 3:50. So how many value difference? 20. For example, 50 minutes, here 30 minutes. So subtraction, 0 minus 0, 0, 5 minus 3, 2. So answer 20. So answer 20 minutes. Next, B question. Same. For example, hours and 5, minutes and 3. Now time 5:15. But here hours and 5, minutes and 8. Now time 5:40. So look at the two clock, the difference value, here 5:15, here 5:40. So subtraction, here 40, here 15. So 0 minus 5 impossible. So take borrow 10, here 3. So 10 minus 5, 5. 3 minus 1, 2. So how many minutes? 25 minutes. Students, you will get this worksheet. I have given you some simple questions. So do it and send the answer to the 4th standard Maths WhatsApp group. Okay students, see you in the next class. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.